If you want to transfer files from iPhone 17 to Windows PC or a laptop, what you need to do is you need to use a USB cable. In my case, I have my own custom USB cable and I can connect my iPhone 17 to my computer. We will see that we are charging, and on the computer you will see that the iPhone is being added to File Explorer if you actually use the proper USB cable, because unfortunately not every USB or USB-C cable can be used for transferring data. But if you actually use the correct cable, you should be able to find Apple iPhone in devices and the drives over here in PC. So you can go ahead and open it and you should be able to find all your files over here. I mean the photos and videos in here. However, in addition to that, you might also want to use Apple Devices app, which you can get from the Microsoft Store. And if you connect and add the computer to trusted devices on your iPhone, then you should be able to go to Files and you can access files that you have from specific apps over here, and you should be able to add files or save selected files on your computer. In addition to that, you can also use iCloud in the browser. You can go to iCloud.com and sign into your Apple account. So click sign in over here and then fill in your credentials and sign into your Apple account. And there we go. By doing so, you have access to the whole Photos library, to Calendar, to your notes, and so on and so forth. We can go to notes over here, we can go to pages, and much more. So you should be able to find pretty much everything in here. And of course, if you want to get something, then you should be able to open it, and you can download it, for example, over here in the upper right corner, and so on and so forth. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.